All right, guys, so this is a video on the Maria Dolores guitar number 1. This is for the entire suite. So we'll go through each part, and then we will kind of have a worldview of what it looks like. All right, so we start off with this rhythm: 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, and 3, and 1. No big deal. You're just kind of like muting. Rest. No big deal. All right, now you start with a melody, which is quite a few open strings, right? And usually looks like only on the first 3 strings for all the way up to D. All right, so first 3 strings, let's take a look. 2, 3. Because there's that crescendo at the end, and I'm alternate picking with my fingers, right? And then we go back into our first rhythm. All right, so it does that 2 times. Now, here's where we get into a bunch of the chromaticism, right? So this is probably where you're having the most kind of challenges when you're playing, all right? So we start here on C sharp. All right, so C sharp, D, E, F, E. And then you're going to use 3 and 4 to play D, B flat, D, and then you can kind of switch down here to back to 3. All right, so what I'm doing is I'm playing D, B flat with the 3rd finger, and then I'm dropping my first 2 fingers down to the 2nd fret so I can play the C sharp, A, C sharp, and then coming back to the B flat, and then this nice little run of A, B flat, C sharp, D, open E, F natural, and then you're coming up to that G. All right, so that's a really cool run. All right, now if you end with your 4th finger, then you can come down to your D here, and then a little run right here. All right, so let's play that E to F real quick and just see how it goes. All right, so a little bit slower. 1, 2, 3. Played a little jazz in there, but no problem. You get the idea. All right, so at F. All right, so we have a lot of chromaticism going on here because I feel like almost the tonal centers are changing, and or maybe even the modes, I'm not sure. So starting on F, you go. You're going back to that C natural, right? Open B, G sharp, open B, and then we got the F, G, A, B, C, D, and then open B, and then this little tag. No big deal. All right, so there's a little bit of chromaticism in there, but we'll play it one more time. This is F. There we go. 1, 2, 3. G sharp, B, 2, 3. And then you rest for the last 3. All right, no big deal. Okay, let's move on just a little bit to Maria Dolores, which is a little bit slower, just a little bit slower. All right, so I think that was 120, so we're moving down to 112. All right, so this is kind of, I like to call it the spooky section of Maria Dolores. All right, so you are here starting on A. let's just take that, right? So 1 and 3 and 4, 1 and 3 and 4, 1 and 3 and 4, 1, theta 3. No big deal, all right? So kind of make sure that your rhythm is solid before you go too far, right? Because that's it's the main theme, main character theme. All right, so when you're playing it, nothing too hard. A, B, C, D, E, E, D, C, B, A, B, C, D, E, F, F. All right, so let's talk about that pull-off. So instead of like, try to keep it real compact and make sure that when you get to that G, you're keeping your F down so that you don't have to put both it down at the same time. You're playing that F before that, so just keep it down, go up to the G so that you can go, no big deal, all right? So I think it repeats that section one more time. Okay, no big deal. So a little bit of changes there at 7. Starting with a G sharp, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 1, 2, rest. Okay, let's see here. It looks like this is where the repeat is. A little bit of change right there at 15. But overall, when you get to the double bar right there on measure 9, it's kind of repeating itself. So here. Sorry, it looked familiar in the first 3 measures, so I assumed, but I guess that's my fault for assuming. All right, so let's talk about it. You got 16th note rhythm at 12, so 1, theta 3, 4, 1, theta 3, 4. All right, so look at that, and then you have a little bit of a hammer on at 15. So I would isolate 15 and 16 and just make sure you're good with that hammer on. So G sharp. All right, easy peasy, but I would do it 100 times. All right, same thing, same idea with 12. Keep it compact. Don't pull off your hand. Cool. Now we get into development at B. So all right, so we're coming up to the higher section, right? So at B, no big deal. You do have a 16-note rhythm right there at measure 18. So 1, theta 3, 4, right? Just like the rhythm was at 12. So 1, theta 3, 4, right? No big deal. So let's play B, just the first 4 measures. All right, so we're going to shift from this G sharp first finger because now we're in fifth position. Okay, so let's talk about that. 5th position for 2 3/4 of a measure up until the middle of 23. That's when you're going to come back down 1st position. And I wrote some little eyeglasses right there and a 5 so that you can see that you're in 5th position for a couple of measures. All right, so the end of 21 going into the end of 23. So we're here. A, B, C natural, right? And then F natural. Then you have a hammer on E to F. So don't overplay it. You don't have to beat it, so. All right, no big deal. Now, after this D on the 3rd string 5th fret or 7th fret, you're going to play an open B, and that's going to give you a chance to go down here. All right, so practice that shift. So I need to check those rhythms real quick. But overall, that's what's going on in that section. Now, we're all the way back. Let's start at 26. Class is about to end, so it's going to get a little loud, but stick with me, all right? So at 26. 1, 2, 3. All right, so the toughest section is going to be B to C. Bye, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. So, yeah, the toughest section is going to be B, and as soon as things quiet down, we'll go over it one more time, right? But I would practice each little bit. So first 4 measures, second 4 measures, third 4 measures, and then the last 4 measures of C, all right, which is what we're going to go over right now. So we're at 26, and we're here. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. All right, so tricky rhythm at 30. So 1, 2, 3. Take to 4 and. All right, it'll be up after school, Alex. All right, see you soon. All right, so let's try that. 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Take to 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2. Rest. Whew, it's hard to say that and play it at the same time. All right, but let me play it, and then you can kind of like listen to it. All right, so where are we gonna pick this up? Let's pick up at 26. So 1, 2. No big deal. No big deal. Layer up. All right, so we're at C. All right, so that same rhythm, that same tricky idea is happening from 30. It's happening again at 37, 38, 39. 39. So you have 1, take to 3 and 4. All right, so let's play that 3 times in a row. So we're right here, second to last measure. So 1, 2, take to 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, people are coming in. So one more time. 1, 2, take. Sorry. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, take to 3 and 4. 1. So. 2, 3, 4, off. Sorry, people were coming in, and class is over. Let's move. Oh, that's what Alex was waiting for. I had this folder. Okay, my bad. All right, Alex, sorry, this is for you. So Almeria, nothing too crazy. We're in 3/4. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2 and 3, 1 and 2 and 3, 1 and 2 and 3 and woo! All right, so it's asking for very specific fingers. So let's talk about those fingers, right? Sorry this video is so long, but it's for 3 pieces, so it'll be fine. So you're gonna start here. 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. tempted to make this a whole nother video because I feel like many people would have problems with these rhythms. Let's just try it. We'll plunge on through. Plug on through. We'll see. So 3 4. So starting here on the 2 3 1 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 and 2 and 3 1 and 2 and 3 1 1 and 2 and 3 and so many things are happening. All right, so that was what's going on. So I'm kind of in the 4th position, right around there, kind of playing away. It's not marked as 4, but that's what I'm seeing because they want you to play these runs. That's weird. All right, no big deal. We're at B. So at B, it's saying easy peasy stuff. So nothing crazy, like a couple of rhythms, but nothing that you haven't seen before, and nothing that was remotely harder than what you saw on the Maria Dolores. All right, so just let's say 18, 19, 20, 21, 1 and 3 and more, or 1 and 2, sorry, 1 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1, 3 1 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 3 1 2 3, and there's a little trill right there at 27. All right, so let's talk about that. So you're back in the 5th position. I like that. Just a little fairy dust going on with those accidentals on the G sharp. All right, but we're in 5th position, so you're starting here on the A, going up to the C, down to the B, down to the A. Now 2nd string, got that G with the 4th finger, F, 6th fret, and then you're gonna play open right there. This is 26. 2. 2 3 2 3. Now it's saying for this 5th position. Woo! I like that. I like that. That's nice. Right there at D, we're in 5th position. So A, barred over for E, F, G, A, C, B, G, G, B, G, A, F, E, F, A, F, E, 2, G sharp, and then B. Now, okay, it's saying to play the B. Woo! All right, so let's work this out. Okay, so watch out for that 3 8 3 9 40. They want 2nd finger. All right, so watch out for that because you'll go. So watch out for that. You can slow this down. It's YouTube, all right, and I'm sure you can slow it down just a little bit and watch that. And I'm sorry about the drums. It's so loud. Hopefully they'll close the door. So E, 1 and 3, 1 and 3, 1 and 2 and 3 and 1. So watch out for that rhythm at E. 1 and 3, 1 and 3, 1 and 2 and 3 and 1. 2, 3. Nothing crazy. You just got to kind of remember that that rhythm's going to repeat itself twice, but with different notes. Now, F. You can do that. That's no big deal. 1 and 2 and 3, 1 and 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. No big deal. Now at G, you go back to the fingers from the beginning. 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1 and 2 and 3, 1 and 2 and 3, 1 and 2 and 3 and... No big deal, no big deal. Slow this down, play it 1,000 times, and you will be Gucci. If you have questions, ask me in class, because videos are a little bit tough, but I will always be in class, so you can ask me to kind of clarify some things for you. Anyway, talk to you soon.